Starting to get dark outside, but listen, you can hear there's a hawk up in a tree up here somewhere. Let's see if we can find it. Hear that? There he is. He's up in there. He's up over here. He's up behind me. Hear that? Must have his nest up there. Look at all these lightning bugs. They're everywhere. I've never seen this many. Alright, night hike's over. Thought I was going to be able to see some coyotes and stuff like that tonight, but I didn't. Still a nice night outside though. It's nice and cool finally. All the humidity broke. See if the home front's a little bit quieter now. So I can get some sleep tonight.